Hello guys, welcome to this Peep Show. We are Sunday the 3rd of May 2020. Sylvain with you today for a new Peep Show. So the title of this Peep Show is the stock market could lose 5% next week. So this is the topic we'll cover today. So basically if you look at the Dow Jones at the Dow Jones on a 4 hours chart, this is what you can see. We just broke an ascending wedge, which is a technical figures, who basically normally and shows that the market is on the verge of a new drop. Okay, and this is what we had last week. So the stock market and the Dow Jones was rising towards the 25,000 points level. So this is what we achieved last week. We achieved that point, and the market just began to sell and just began its downtrend, I'll say. And we are now on the way to lose up to 5%. So next week, the I will say the technical target we can normally achieve, and we can I'll say regularly achieve, is 22,500 points. So this is what we can see, and this is what I will target for next week on the Dow Jones. So 5%. This is something that is definitely achievable next week, and I will even add that at I would say mid-May. So in the middle of May, restriction on short selling in Europe will be over. So you know that if you look at the stock index and the stock markets across Europe, especially in France, Spain, and also in France, Spain, and Italy, you have restriction on what you can on what you can do. So basically, if you are trading, for example, the CAC 40, you can only buy the stocks on the CAC 40, close existing selling positions if you do own some selling positions on French equities and French stocks, but you cannot enter speculative net short position on French stocks, Spanish stocks, Italian stocks, and also other stock markets such as Belgian stocks, and you have also Dutch stocks. Okay, in the middle of May, this restriction will be over, and you will have the ability normally to enter speculative short positions on the market. We will see if they they extend this speculation ban or not. But normally they banned it for 1 month. They banned it for another month, so it will be over in 2 weeks. We'll see if that allows us to enter a new short position or not. Let's have a quick look at the commodity market and what oil is doing right now. So we have here an oil market that is slightly recovering. Okay, we lost 50% in two trading sessions, and now we've gained it all. Okay, if you look at the oil prices, we went from $7 per barrel to $20 per barrel. So that's a 200% increase in the prices of oil, and the market is stabilizing itself and is gaining grounds, and we can definitely say that the situation is currently, I would say, currently recovering. Okay, in the middle of May, also you will have something that is taking place across Europe. Let's have a quick look at the coronavirus numbers. But you have people who will be back at work in France and in another a lot of European countries. Okay, let's have a quick look at, for example, the curve. Okay, the coronavirus curve in Europe and especially in France. We have a curve that is flattening itself, and even if we have another, I'll say, wave of coronavirus infected people, we reach something like which looks like a peak. Okay, in Spain, this is almost the same situation. In Italy, we are beginning to see a second, I would say, second wave, but the curve is quite encouraging. Okay, across Europe, the United States are not, I'll say, are not following the same way. Okay, if you compare, for example, the curve of if you look at the French coronavirus curve of people who just died of coronavirus, and you compare it to the United States, this is two different curve. Okay, there is still some potential of people dying from the coronavirus in the US because this is less organized than in Europe. And if you look at the global curve of the people who died of the coronavirus, there is still some acceleration. Okay, it's not over yet. So in the middle of May, people will go back to work. The demand will increase again, and we expect oil prices to increase again. Okay, if you look at what is going on here, it looks like a V-shaped recovery. So maybe we'll be back at $30 per barrel. So that would be definitely almost a 60% increase in the prices. Okay, if we go 50%, sorry, increase in the oil prices. So this is what we are expecting for next month. Okay, so over the next 2 months, a 50% increase in oil prices will not surprise me at all. Okay, so that's something that we'll see. And that's pretty much it, guys, for next week. So next week, I will be bearish on the stock market. In the middle of May, I expect the short position the short band to be over in Europe, and maybe we'll see more volatility across the stock index, and hopefully we'll have some demands that will increase in the energy sector, and maybe we'll see the oil prices going higher again. So that's what we can expect. All right, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the Wheel of Arya Facebook group. You can also reach us on YouTube on the comment section. We'll answer to you, and we see each other for a new Peep Show tomorrow. Same time, same day, same place. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.